Welcome back to another video, you guys. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. I got an early start to my morning. Not really, but I woke up early, later than I was supposed to, but still early. I'm out here wearing my jacket and then my jacket on top because it's cold out. California's been a little bit upset lately, so today we're actually gonna buzz down on something. I'm sure you guys saw my video from when I last installed my bushings, or should I say my lower ball joints, and those completely got shot out. They're completely garbage on the car now. Every single time I turn and move, it like clicks. You guys know that normal ball joint sound. I don't know why they went out so quick, but these are complete garbage. They went out on me like on the third day I had them on, so you already know what I had to do. I had to cop some expensive ones. Not really expensive, but someone needs to explain to me why the HR ones are a little bit more expensive than the DE. That makes 0 sense. This is a new ball joints I got. They're from Concept Z Performance, so they're a lot better quality than my other ones. Last time my boy Elegant helped me out, so today he's gonna stop by again. So I'm just trying to get the car ready for him. So have all the wheels taken off, the ball joints accessible. So I want to take all this off so that when he gets here, we can just do that with the quicks and be done with it hopefully soon. Alright, bumpers off, wheels are off, so the only thing left to do really is to take off the where it sits on the ball joint, the lower control arm, disconnect that. But you guys have already seen me do that tons of times, so let's just skip to that. Alright, everything's taken apart. Got this side done. I was noticing that this one doesn't even have the thing connected to it. If you guys can see, the thing already came out. It was literally almost no lube in there. Those were garbage. The one over here really isn't that bad, to be honest, but it's just low as hell. As you can see, it was actually sitting on the actual boot and not actually like doing its job right. It was crushing the boot, so that had no grease in the boot. So I actually got these ball joints from Rockauto. I haven't had any bad luck with their belts or with their pulleys, but with their ball joints, I guess they're complete trash. It didn't even last me 1,000 miles that I was driving on them. So like I mentioned before, we're going to be upgrading those to some upgraded Concept Z Performance. The bushing is polyurethane, so I should never have that issue of that, and they're already pre-filled, so I should be able to just slap these on. But since I'm an idiot, I forgot I need a C-clamp tool to take these off, and I need my buddy to come let me borrow his tools so we can pry these out and put the new ones in. So now I have to wait for them, but they'll be here shortly. Homie just came through, came clutch. This is what I needed to take off the C-clamps on the bottom. I don't know if that's what they're called, but I need one of these. I definitely need to buy one for myself, but I completely forgot this time, so shout out to the boys. This tool, basically what it is to separate a C-clamp. As you can see, it opens up the teeth when I open it. So what I need that for is for down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a ring right around there, and I need to be able to take that off. So let me show you how the thing works. I'm sure you guys know how to use this, but just in case you don't, we're always here to learn together. Packages. This is really hard to do while vlogging. See, we got it out. Ah, it fell, but it's over there. As you can see, it came out. So I'm just gonna do that to both. Have it ready for my boy to just come in and just take them out. It's starting to rain a little bit, as you guys can see. But that's why we think ahead and we put the car inside the tarp before it started to rain, so we can work on something dry. I mean, it's still kind of wet, but at least it's not pouring on us, and the hood's dry, and the parts we need to work on are dry. So shout out to me. All right, camera died on that last clip, but my friend did come through. My boy Jared did come through, and we got both ball joints pressed in while the camera was charging. Man, this guy works fast. Got them both pressed in. You know, we had to pay a little bit extra to get that red on red. You already know. You gotta get that combination in there, because you know what the vibe be. You guys already know the theme. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what those look like. Those look like, they look a little bit different. The overall shape looks a little bit different compared to those. These just look fat, to be honest. They just look fat, man. Look how messed up they were, man. Jeez. This is barely 1,000 miles, not even 1,000 miles with them on. Those are just supposed to be like some OEM replacements. But on the website of Concept Z, these are supposed to be upgraded polyurethane, so they're not supposed to have the problem that these had of the cover coming off like that. So now we gotta do the fun stuff of putting everything back on. And if this weather stops acting up, hopefully go for a drive. Nothing crazy, but just to feel them out, because after this the car literally has no more problems performance and driver feel wise. It's got like dings and scratches and dents, but if we're being honest, I think looks is like the least of my worries on this car. I want a little bit more functional, but it's gonna be pretty as well by the car show. This is a reminder for you guys, June 28th, we will be at Low Times in Santa Cruz County Fairgrounds here in Watsonville, California, beautiful hometown of ours. I'm going to have the 350Z there, and Brian's going to have his 350Z there as well. Our infamous man fam's going to be there as well too, so make sure to come out, support, come say what's up. I might have some stickers for you guys. Alright, so now we're going to put everything back, so cue the time lapse. Alright, cooler update. Wheels are on. Everything's put back to normal. Gotta put my intake back on before I put on the bumper. Everything's good to go though. Everything's bolted up, nice, snug. Ball joints looking great, fantastic. I haven't had any issues with them so far. They fit pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I really want to take it out for a drive. These seem to be a lot stiffer than my other ones. That might just be because of the poly bushing that's on it, but it's starting to clear up a little bit. Sun's starting to come out. Might just have to take this for a drive. Only thing I like to do is clean up this mess, put my hood back on, put the car on the ground, and then we can go for a drive. Alright, car's all put back together. Looks like it's about ready. Figured I'd show you guys these one more time before I throw them out. Just how garbage they are, man. You see that? These new ones should do a lot better. So to test that, we're gonna go on a drive. Around my block, nothing too crazy. I don't really have gas. I forgot to get gas, so whatever gas I do have left, we're gonna try and see how well it holds up. We're gonna test it out. Found some gas. Time to put some in it. You guys would normally have a button in the vicinity of somewhere right here, but I don't have that anymore. So let me show you what I have to do every single time I pull up to a gas station. We do this once, lift it up again. Because of the wing so heavy, we gotta do it again. Nope, gotta be faster than that. Put all this way up. Since I'm gutted, I have this tab right here, right there. You guys can see it. That I pull every single time to release the gas cap and open it. And then I gotta do that. So as you can imagine, I look like a douchebag at the gas station like this. As we're going for a drive, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. Alright, let's go have some fun, guys. Ooh, haven't driven this car in a cool minute, so I'm excited to get it for a spin. The bat, you can tell like these make a lot less noise than my other ones. My other ones, when I would hit small bumps like those that we just hit, you would hear them like, you know when your ball joints are out, the noise that they make, that's the noise that mine used to make. Now I can just go into turns. No issues. Polyurethane bushings. This thing corner is amazing. These ball joints really made a difference. I'm gonna leave the link if you guys want to check them out yourselves. I'm gonna leave it down here in the description so you guys can check it out. I definitely recommend them. I haven't really tried too many ball joints, but I've heard that these are pretty good, as well as the Megan Racing ones. I want to thank you guys so much for kicking it with me today. I appreciate you guys for stopping by, checking out the build. That's where I'm gonna wrap up today's video, you guys. I appreciate the support. We finally hit 1K, so that means burnout, you know. So hopefully we'll be able to do that within this week. So other than that, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys later.